Hi everybody, this is Linda and welcome back to Handsthatcook. This is just going to be a quick video and for my new subscribers, because I've done this before, and it's Rolos and mini pretzels, those little small pretzels. Now you're going to preheat your oven to 325, and you're going to unwrap, if you're lucky enough that you didn't have to unwrap yours, unwrap your Rolos and put them in the center of your little pretzel, and you're going to put these in the oven for 5 minutes. Check on them, and we'll be back for the next step. Well, mine took about 4.5 minutes, and after you take them out, I didn't have any whole pecans, so I'm using walnuts. Just put a walnut in the top and push it down. So they get done quickly, and they'll still maintain their shape, so don't think they aren't melted enough. So, when I finish these, I'll bring you back. Alright, I've finished. And what I want you to notice is that I push these walnuts far enough down to cover the pretzel. And that's all there is to it. You can use pecans or cashews or whatever you choose to use. But this would be a great little snack to have in your candy tray, or to give as a gift. It's simple and it's fast, and I hope that you'll try it and love it. My family likes them. I would have made more, but I ran out of Rolos. I'm going to have to go get some more. And anyway, you all, I hope you like the recipe. Thank you for coming in and spending part of your day with me. So until next time, you all take care, and God bless every one of you. Let me get a better picture. There we go.